How's it going? You're watching another video of me trying something? Welcome. Thanks for clicking on the video. So, I was at Walmart, got a bunch of crap to taste and try. So these are some Pringles. I haven't had a Pringle in a minute. And believe it or not, this one, Philly cheesesteak, someone told me, don't bother, they didn't like it. Now, I didn't purposely look for this. I actually saw this. I was just kind of like looking at the flavors. I had a little time to walk around. Normally I'm at the grocery store, just like I have my list and I just bing, bam, boom. I want to get the hell out of there. I don't want to hang out at the grocery store. It's always busy. Always people in your way. Just one of those things. But today I looked around and that was a bad idea because I bought a bunch of random crap. So anyway, I saw these chili cheese fries. I thought, wow, that sounds pretty good. And then I saw these, which I remember someone said, don't bother, they suck. But we're going to see. Philly cheesesteak, specific flavor. A lot of stuff going on there. In this case, they're showing the onion specifically. So there should be onion, there should be cheese. There should be, obviously, the steak flavor in there. So we'll see. Chili cheese fries, this is, it could be a generic flavor. You know, like just chili flavor, chili powder, that kind of a thing. But in this case, they're definitely showing fries with chili, nacho cheese, and raw onion. I doubt they're going to have raw onion flavor in there, but we're going to find out. So what do we start with? Let's start with these. All right. These are $2, Walmart. Stinky, in a good way. I do smell the onion and kind of some, like a generic meaty type smell. All right, let's go for it. Cheers. Wow. Not bad. I actually really taste onion. Definitely onion powder in here. Or dehydrated onions, whatever they do for flavoring. And there is kind of a meaty flavor. Not so much cheese, though. Those aren't bad. I like those. My wife's gonna love these. She likes the oniony things, so yeah, that's great. I'm not gonna say like, oh man, oh, Philly cheesesteak, so good. They're missing the cheese there, and obviously they make cheese flavored Pringles, so I don't know if they didn't want it to take away from it, but there definitely should have been some more cheese flavor in there. It's Philly cheesesteak, right? It's not Philly steak and onions, so a little miss with the cheese. I'm reading the side of the can, I'm getting distracted. Nothing half full about this can. Alright. Actually, I didn't even take note. I ate 2 of them. And yeah, I mean, it's almost to the top. So, yeah, I guess, pretty good. Sneak one more. Yeah. Just different. That's all, it's different. I like it. Alright. Chili cheese fries. Okay. Definitely smell a chili type scent. Definitely smell cheese. Also pretty full. Alright. Going in. Chili cheese fries. Now what's good about the fry part is that obviously the Pringle itself is potato, right? So you have potato. They just have to throw in some onion, cheese, and chili flavor. Here we go. Try that one. They're good, but believe it or not, it's not very like chili dominant. It's cheese dominated, and I'm not really tasting the onion. It's definitely chili and cheese, but even the chili is not like super strong. I was expecting to be a lot of chili flavor and no cheese and no onion. Yeah, I mean, they're actually delicious. It's just I'm trying to, like, okay, does that taste exactly like chili cheese fries with raw onion on it? No, it doesn't. But they're delicious. I think I like these. Yeah, it's kind of tough. Maybe they're kind of equal. Yeah, I mean, you're not going to blow your socks off. You're not going to be like, oh my God, like, I was going to get a Philly cheesesteak sandwich, but instead I just got the Pringles. No. But they're good. They're just different. You know, if you're just tired of like, I eat ranch all the time, or oh, I always get the barbecue ones or whatever, you know, it's cool. It's cool they do different things. So I do think they're both tasty. I'll say that. They're not like, I don't want to eat these. Like, they're good. They're both very good. But they don't quite nail, which is not, you know, surprising. They don't quite nail that exact flavor. I'm just wondering, like, who's in the flavor department? Like, who works at Pringles? And they're like, this is exactly chili cheese fries, you know? And then they bring in people, like 5 random people off the street, and they're like, oh my God, how'd you get chili cheese fries into a, you know, that flavor is so good. You know what I mean? Like, is that really happening? Or is this just like one dude, you know, in a room by himself with dim lighting, trying different things and going, chili cheese fries, and that's it. Slap a logo on there and we're good. Let's get someone from marketing, get a good picture, and pump them out. Get them in the store. I don't know. But anyway, whoa. I don't know why I just threw the cap here. Okay, let's try one more of the Philly cheesesteak before I go. I want to revisit that now they've had the chili. All right. Yeah. This one's definitely closer to that flavor. You know, actually looking at this, I was thinking around like 4th of July, Memorial Day, stuff like that. Pringles or chips, they could do like a collaboration, like a series of flavors. Like, for example, what do you do on 4th of July? Everyone barbecues, right? Memorial Day weekend, people barbecue. So take flavors that you'd have at a barbecue, right? Release them all at the same time. Release cheeseburger flavor. Release hot dog flavor. You know, release potato salad flavor. That would be great. Potato salad, like an egg potato salad. That would be an awesome flavor. I mean, I happen to like egg potato salad. Maybe you don't. But you know what I'm saying? Like, they did ketchup and mustard chips. Cool. Release those. Release mini bags of those. So, like, people can go to the store and they get literally all these familiar flavors you'd have at these events. You know? Interesting. Anyway, that's all. Just some new Pringles flavors. Let me know, what is your favorite flavor Pringle? And do you have them often? Pringles or just like anything, any other snack. I really don't have a lot of snacks like I used to. Like combos. I can't even tell you last time I had combos. Like once in a blue moon, maybe like 3 or 4 times a year, I'll just buy like hard pretzels. That's it. Just like, you know, a barrel of cheap pretzels. Or like a little container of like pretzel rods or something. You know, just because it's different. That's all. It's just different. Most times I have chip, because I try different chip flavors for videos. That's when I'll have chips laying around, and I'll have it like with a sandwich, have a little handful, or you know, if I'm watching a movie or something, and sometimes I want popcorn, sometimes I don't, sometimes maybe a little bowl of chips, you know, something salty. But I really just don't get as much snacks as you might think. You know, I'm an overweight dude, so it's like, oh, you know, you're snacking all the time. No, I'm not. I just have poor eating habits, like the wrong, or you know, too much portion size is one of my problems, you know. I come home from work, I'm starving, I have dinner. I probably eat too much of dinner. Does that make sense? And I get bored and eat late, things like that. But I'm not big boy because I'm eating Pringles or snacking all day long. In my younger days, sure, because I wasn't paying for the snacks. My mommy was paying for the snacks and my daddy. So, big shout out and apology to mommy and daddy for costing you thousands and thousands of dollars in snacks. Growing boys, especially big growing boys, could be, you know, quite hungry. It's amazing what kids can eat, you know. So anyway, I'm veering off topic. Yeah, pretty good. I like them. Did they nail the flavors? Not quite. The cheesesteak a little bit closer. Chili cheese fries, but they're tasty. I'll say that. They're still tasty. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.